Salve, welcome to this video lesson on Capitulum Nonum, Chapter 9. We're picking up in Section 1 at line 19. Post campum monte sunt. Behind the field there are mountains. Inter montes sunt valles. In between the mountains there are valleys. In campo est collis. On the field or in the field is a hill. Collis est mons parvus. The hill is a small mountain. In colle arbor est. On the hill there is a tree. In silva multae arbores sunt. In the forest there are many trees. Oves non in silva neque in monte, sed in campo sunt. The sheep are not in the forest nor on the mountain, but are in the field. In silva est lupus. In the forest is a wolf. And we can see the lupus in the margin there. Let's see, Remus Lupin from Harry Potter comes from that. He, of course, is a werewolf in that story. Okay, pastor et oves lupum tement. The shepherd and the sheep fear the wolf. Nam lupus oves est. For the wolf eats sheep. Now notice here this is est with the long E. That long mark is very important in that word because it tells us that means eats rather than est with the short E, which is. Okay, so nam, it explains what goes before, for or since the wolf eats sheep. In silvis et in montibus lupi sunt. In the forests and in the mountains there are wolves. In vallibus nulli sunt lupi. In the valleys there are no wolves. Sol in caelo est supra campum. The sun is in the sky above the field. In caelo nulla nubes videtur. Now here we get a passive verb, videtur. It means is seen. So in the sky, in caelo, no cloud, nulla nubes, is seen. Caelum est supra terram. The sky is above the land. Montes et valles, campi silvaeque sunt in terra. Mountains and valleys, fields and forests are on the earth, on the land. In caelo, sol et nubes sunt. In the sky, the sun and the clouds are. Sed supra hunc campum, caelum sine nubibus est. But above this field, hunc is a form of hic, which means this. But above this field, the sky is without clouds. Sine is the opposite of cum, remember. Itaque sol lucet in campo. And so the sun is shining on the field. Pastor in sole ambulat. The shepherd is walking in the sun. Sub arbore autem umbra est. Under the tree, however, there is shadow, there is shade. Pastor, qui nullam nubem videt in caelo, the shepherd who sees no cloud in the sky, cum cane et ovibus ad arborem adit, goes to the tree. So adit literally means to goes, right? He to goes to the tree, but you don't have to say the word to twice in English. The ad on the verb is also in front of arborem, right? You just say it once in English. So he goes to the tree, cum cane, with the dog, et ovibus, and his sheep. Pastor umbrum petit. The shepherd seeks out shade. Okay, so petit, new verb in this chapter. It means to seek or look for, to aim at, to go after a thing. Etiam oves umbram petunt. Also the sheep seek shade or shadow. Post pastorem ad arborem adiunt. They go to the tree behind the shepherd, or after the shepherd if you prefer. Pastor oves suas ad arborem ducit. Now ducit, another new verb, it means to lead or guide, or perhaps bring. So the shepherd leads his sheep to the tree. Ecce pastor in umbra arboris jacet. Look, the shepherd is lying in the shade of the tree, cum cane et ovibus, with the dog and the sheep. Arbor pastori et cani et ovus umbram dat. The tree, arbor, gives shade or shadow, umbram, to the shepherd and to the dog and to the sheep. So there are those datives again, pastori, cani, ovus. Anytime you get a give, show, tell verb, it's likely you're going to have a dative because you need the dative to show to or for whom something is given, shown, or done. Okay, sed ovis nigra, but the black sheep, cum paucis aliis, with a few others, in sole jacet, is lying in the sun. So jacet, the verb for lies down. You want to be careful to note that the E is the verb vowel there, so jacet, et ending. That differentiates it from yakit with an it ending. Yakit means throws. Yaket means lies or lies down. Yaket is related to adjacent in English. If something is adjacent to another thing, it means it lies next to that thing, it's close to it. Pastor, qui festus est, the shepherd who is tired, oculos claudit et dormit, closes his eyes and sleeps. Canis non dormit, the dog does not sleep. All right, well, that concludes section 1. I hope you learned a few things here. Walete till next time.